Merry Christmas, everybody. So, I have my Bryant heat pump, my Bryant air conditioner. This is my Bryant air conditioner for the Christmas special. I actually wrapped it in lights, so I just wanted to film it. This is actually the picture of my main channel thumbnail currently, so I just wanted to film it in this thing for Christmas, so I have something. Open scroll. See down there. Some more fan motor. 2012, 2.5 ton. Hasn't been running, obviously. The entire thing is in lights, so yeah. I didn't need much of the back, but it's kind of decorated there still, and pretty cool. So yeah. Anyways, thank you for watching.